So we've got all that cleaned off. Just brush the dust off. And again, of course, I don't mean to keep repeating it, but the reason we clean the blade is just so you can see every hammer blow. And then the experience of peening becomes enjoyable because you can see where you're going. You get feedback to know if you should hit a bit more left, right, change the angle of the hammer. It takes all the guesswork out of it because you get the feedback. I figure a lot of people, they do stuff with their eyes closed, so I just equate this in our courses to not being blindfolded. So now we're just going to do 2 rows. So I'm going to start a little way away from the, this is how I do it, a little way away from the tip, the beard of the blade, and we're going to do 1 row just away from the edge. About that far. Just so you don't have to wait too long in the video, I'll go back and I'll do the very edge. And I'm going to do that across the whole blade now.
Dneska se to všeobecně říká, přijde ale potopa, udělá to pochopa, znájemka máte nebo štíka. Já spěšte tohleto, jen tak přeci nejde to, rybám svoje levé tělo dám. Vzal jsem rozum do hrsti a pohladil ho po srsti, tak jsem přišel lehce na nápad. Idu mám, dívejko fajru na vodě, postavil jsem si na to do lodě, jako nějaký plavčík se toulám světem, kde zakotvím, to nechám náhodě. Na stožáru se vlajka cepotá, pojedem, dívenko smol do světa, kde měsíček vykoukne přes palubu, tam láska rozkvétá. Chodí po souši, věčně osud pokouší, z vlaku leze zmuchlanej jak sláma. Lehce přijde k úrazu, složku sjede po vazu, pak ho čeká na Volšanech jáma. Dívko, doleš na trávě, brouk kousne po hlavě, pojď se se mnou na sluníčko hřát. Do plachet nám vítr duje, kolem radce poletuje, všude ticho, nikdy žádnej chlad. Idu mám, dívenko fajru na vodě, postavil jsem si na dno do lodě, jako nějaký plavčík se toulám světem, kde zakotvím, to nechám náhodě. Na stožáru se vlajka cepotá, pojedem, dívenko smol do světa, kde měsíček vykoukne přes palubu, tam láska rozkvétá. Pevnina je nejistá, vždycky něco uchystá, na každýho šije nějakou poutu. Ať je květen prosinec, v osadě je blázinec a v poledne všude plno čoudu. Všechno se to hlemejždí, do bod lezou hlemejždi, myška v hrnci let tím zahejbá.
Okay, now we have done 4 multiple rows and multiple passes close to the edge, and got the edge pretty thin, so you should be able to see if we do the thumb test, just rocking it gently, you see a nice shadow across the edge of the blade, a ripple go, and it's really so thin that we can't see any, we can see very subtle marks on my thumb, but I wasn't pushing very hard, so it's got into my thumb a little bit. Let's just see if we can see it a bit further up. Gotta get the shadow right, there's a good bit. Thanks for watching the video. That's how we are peening the blades which we are selling. They're all peened by hand. We peen them here in our little farm homestead, and we do courses, In fact, we're so overwhelmed with the amount of people that come to courses or the amount of packages we're sending. We would love to find more time to make some instructional videos. Not that we're very good at it, but practice makes perfect. That's another nice thing, a nice phrase that we like is only perfect practice makes perfect. So I wish you all perfect practice and towards perfection in your peening and scything and your ability to smile and have fun in life. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thank you very much everybody for your lovely feedback. We received quite a lot of emails from people in the Czech Republic and worldwide thanking us for the lovely packages that we've sent, which they of course have bought from us, and we're very happy to sell them and the package and send them. But we do always enjoy it when we get some nice response back saying how much they enjoyed scything with so sharp blade, and that it goes well for them, or that they enjoyed watching the videos or reading our website. So thank you very much, and enjoy scything.